Yesterday we saw that the sorrows of our life are expression of not the external situation. Sorrows of our life are the expression of our unfulfilled desires. If anybody is sad, it's not possible that you are sad and you had no desire, still you are sad. Sadness is an expression that some of my desires are not fulfilled or not taken into account by the person around me or by the prarabdha around me, by the situation around me. I have a feeling that this desire of mine has no significance for any other person. When you feel that my desire is not taken into account, then it gives birth to sorrow. Give birth to sorrow. So Vedanta says that the tendency to fulfill our desire, if you are trying to change a situation so that one day your desire can be fulfilled, and if you are very convinced about it, you try. If you are very convinced that my desire will be fulfilled and I can change some situation, Vedanta says you do action and maybe your desire may be fulfilled. You give a lot of time. Fulfillment of desire is in the hand of situation and not directly in your hand. Which person will be doing what money you will get, which person will you meet, this is not in your hand. You are not the one who can dictate, I do not want to live with this person, or I do not want this disease, or I don't want this son. You are not available with lot of choices regarding what you have to get. You are not available with lot of freedom. Your freedom is not in what you are going to get. You can't say, I won't want this mother and father. I won't want this husband. You cannot say like that. Well, then who dictates that what you got? Your karma has already given you of your past actions. Your karma has brought the things around you. As per your actions was there. Well, if I want to change the situation, what shall I do? Then you change your karma. You can change. It's not that situation. Present situation is not in your hand, but future is much in your hand. I'm not saying that never it will be in your hand. Now what you have got, now you cannot change it now. But what you have to get, still you have a certain control over it. Not 100%, but certain control you still have over that what you have to get by your actions, by your thought, by your intentions. Still you can change it. So they say the growth of a person is the growth of his right conviction. So starting from Paristhiti-vadi, he has become Satkarma-vadi. So earlier he was Paristhiti-vadi. He was trying to change a situation. But now he knows I cannot change this situation. Then what shall I do? Let me change my action. It is easier to change my action rather than my situation. I can change my action. I can change my attitude. I can change my way of dealing with the people so that I do good actions. Good actions means what? Good actions means the actions in which my intention is to give joy to someone. That is called good actions. Dharmic action, as per the Vidhi. Vidhi means dharma, as per the Vedas. So my intention was to do dharma. But right now your situation is not good. It is not good, I know. But if I do, it will get better also. This is a known law. You can practice it here also. If anybody starts doing wrong action, his situation will all become more difficult. So this is the growth of a person. When a person does lot of good actions, then automatically his situations are, his desire fulfilling situations are there. Situation fulfills the desire. Good house, good children, good body, good husband, good wife, good money, good job, good boss. But more good you want, very good actions have to be there to give more and more good of everything. It is not easy to get one good also. So, more good you want, that means you must have done very good actions in the past, etc. Even after doing lot of goodness, there are so many actions that I must have done some mistake to get certain things around me, and therefore a person realizes that to continue keep on going good is not in my hand also. It is very difficult to keep on whole day to be very good all the time. You know it's so difficult. I don't need to explain. Whole day, morning I was good and evening I am very disturbed. Already mornings. So the body one camp was there. So somebody, we had 4 or 5 classes. So somebody, in the evening he said, so many classes, all the time Bhagavan, Ishwar, Ram, Ramayana, Krishna. Some gossip should be there. Some spices should be there. Talking who is good, who is bad, food was like this. Some masala should be there in our life. What is this all the time? Atma, Brahma. Quite something should change. Some change we should do something. So it is very difficult to maintain our good intention at all time. And therefore a person realizes that plavahete adrana yagya rupa. So this boat of good action is not very strong boat. Because Yudhishthir can do a wrong action. Arjun can do wrong action. Draupadi can do wrong action. Radha Dasarath can do wrong action. Forget about ordinary person, we are quite weak. Nobody, without anybody, we automatically do many wrong action. But such Devaputra, they were the son of Devatas, they also slipped. They also slipped in their ways. Imagine, they also somewhere succumbed to certain temptations, you can say. Although they were Mahapurush, great people were there. And what to say? So it is very difficult to do good action 24 hours. You cannot claim I have done it. Yesterday's action you can't claim, all my thoughts yesterday was very good. 24 hours I am giving you, forget about whole life. Last yesterday, if you start writing your thoughts, yesterday only talking, not of 1 month. One day, someday, one exercise is there. So after the day is over, you do retrospection, not introspection. You start writing how was my day started and which thoughts came. And this you write, you will be fed up. Well, how can I think like that? How can I think like that? I am such a person. So, to keep good thoughts is very difficult, and therefore, a person knows that I cannot be good at all times. This actions, good actions, is not a very stable boat, and therefore, to help me out, I think I should take support of Ishwar. From Satkarmavadi, a person should become Ishwarvadi. I think Lord should come in my life to help me out. Dhyan dena. I am not, so what are you doing? I am trying to do. Alone I can't do. I need your help to do it. Alone I cannot do. I cannot do all alone. This is my problem. I tried and I failed. So I will use the help of Ishwar. In my life, I will use the help of some other power to give me quietness. Ishwar I need in my life. And this promotion from Satkarmvadi to Ishwarvadi, man of good action to the man of Ishwar, to the man of devoted action. First was man of situation. Second is man of good action. And third is man of devotion. Some people say, I do good action, Swamiji. Why do I need to worship God? I don't take anybody's money. I don't lie. I lead a quiet life. Why we don't go need Ishwar? So first thing, you don't give certificate to yourself. Certificate is always given by somebody else. You can't give certificate to yourself. You cannot claim you can do good actions all the time. It is a false thing. If you are saying either you don't know, either you are acting that you don't know. If anybody does, all my actions are good, either he is ignorant, that means he is foolish. And so either he is acting that he doesn't know. How is it possible? Anybody can speak sweetly all 24 hours. All thoughts were good. He donated everything. He served. Forget about that. I feel you can think over it. To do justice with one person in life is almost impossible. To father, mother, teacher, brother, sister, sometimes best of the person falls. Ordinary person keeps on falling every day. But best of the person does not do right thing all the time. His attitude was not the best. His mind was not quiet. He is not served as much as he should have served. So I need Ishwar for two causes. One is, let my actions, please make my actions. Asatoma sadgame. Game is lot laka. Take me, lead me. I can't do it. You just now prayed Sahana Bhavatu. Sahana Avatu. May He protect both of us. Both means student and teacher. Both of us. So you need Ishwar to continue your good actions. Second thing, we need Ishwar so that our situations are not out of our control. Because situations are such, you don't know what is going to happen and what wrong will come. So we know that if in my life Lord is there, I can still vouch upon Him. I can take support from the Ishwar. Nobody else can be my support. I know certain situations I cannot avoid. So I bring Ishwar into my life. Without bringing Ishwar into my life, I will always be insecure. If this happens, what will? The cause of the worry is absence of bhakti. Madashra is not there. Because uncertain things are more than certain things. Some things are highly uncertain. I don't know what is next going to happen. And sometimes you are certain it will be wrong now, something bad may happen now. Or some things are I don't know how to control this person. or how to control our mind, how to control the money aspect, how to control my child. It is not in your hand. Then you need, okay, I'm giving this to you now. I'm not keeping this uncertainty in my mind of my life. Keeping the uncertainty and thinking about the uncertainty and its consequences is called worry. फिर से बोल देता हूं, keeping the uncertainty and the unwanted consequences of that uncertainty is called worry. I don't keep it in my mind. I'm not careless person. I have given it to somebody. I have given, you purchased a car, but you didn't know how to drive it sometimes. So you say, "Bhai, driver, you drive the car now." Or somebody else is there who knows driving, you say, "You drive, I will sit only and I'll observe how you drive." So let him do that. So what happens with this? Please be careful. You are free from lot of areas of Yogakshema. Niryogakshema, Gita says. So I'm not worried about what I will get now. He will take care. So otherwise you are struggling from dawn to dusk to get the things done, and still worry does not go. Okay. So from the man of changing situation, he became man of changing actions, good actions. From man of action, he became man of devotion. This is the evolution of a person. It takes few words to take this jump. Oh, I thought by tomorrow I'll become. No. So, yeah, it will take some time. And that Ishwar who is pleased on you, then he gives you a situation. Because you have done good actions, because you have done sufficient good actions. No, not little good. Punya punja binu milahina santa. So Goswamiji says, one punya is not sufficient. We need punja. Punja means lot of punya to get something which can tilt my mind towards the source of my problem. My source of problem, I thought, was a person. Then I thought it was my action. Then I thought it was situation. Now I need somebody through Ishwar to tell me that your source of problem is your wrong feeling about world, about yourself, etc. I never thought like this. I never thought somebody is taking me through a U-turn. Only why? Only because you have desire. So instead of desire fulfilling project, I have now changed the desire sublimation and the desire for what is the cause of my problem. Instead of fulfilling the desire, I go out to see why I am desiring. Why I am wanting it. Without this, I could not have lived. This question starts. Without this, I could not be happy. Without the good food, I can't be happy. Without wife, I can't be happy. Without husband, I can't be happy. Without honor, I can't be happy. ये जरूरी है क्या? Is it very important? When you start this, then you need somebody to take you to yourself. And that Ishwar then gives two things. Inside Shraddha he gives, and outside saints he gives. Inside faith, outside saint. Okay. Then when he gives these two things, after that I start thinking, oh, I think my desire is not wrong, is unvalid. Unvalid. क्या बोलते हैं? बाउंस चेक. Check that bounces. Huh? It is illegal to give bounce check. Huh? If anybody gives it is illegal. Huh. So some people are there. So bounce checks are there. It is non-valid. Bounce check means it is non-valid. It cannot be cashed. It should not be given. Somebody gives, so actually speaking is he should not have given the check. Similarly, the all worldly desire are bounced desire. They should not be there. Why? Because you could have been happy without that desire. Why are you postponing your happiness? अगर ऐसा हो जाएगा तो हमें अच्छा. ये अगर कहाँ से आ गया? Where from this if has come into? Why? You don't need it. Why? Because that fulfillment that you are going to, you are trying to get, is your own nature. And this is where you have entered into the verandas of the Vedantic knowledge, Gurudev's language. So this is the only verandas outside. No, I am saying the verandas of the Vedantic portals we have entered, where you start finding out, really I am of the nature of self. हमें नहीं चाहिए, सच में हमें नहीं चाहिए ऐसे. Really I don't need it. I am unnecessarily hovering around it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I have that. No, what joy you are asking from somebody, you have much, much more joy than what you are asking. Already you have. Already have. You are going out for some nice food, but you already in your house much better food is there. Why you are going out then? And is struggling so much. But I don't realize that. Yes. But you accept that scriptures are right? Well, yes. But why don't I realize that? If they are saying Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma, I don't realize. Yar Raso Vaisa, I don't realize that. I go out still. Why is it like that? I don't realize that, which is I have. You know, realize is a very good word. I always say something is there, but you don't know. Time comes, something was there and you knew, then you called, I realized. I was searching for money. I thought, I realized I already have that. In my book I had kept. Some people, in the book they forget. I was searching for, I thought everything is over, month end is there, I get salary on first. So, how will I manage with this? So one day I was just checking my book. I saw, what happened? One envelope was there. Acha, then I opened that envelope, 2000 was there. Acha, I was searching, where is the money, then envelope was there. Sometimes people give envelope. So where to keep? I just kept like that. Somebody came outside, that payment is remaining. I said, acha. Then I went to the drawer. So that nothing was there, only 50 rands were there. So I said, acha, the hai nahi. I said, okay. Then morning I opened my book to see what is the, how much to cover today. And instead of opening the book, envelope got opened. And so 1 hour when I was thinking, how will I manage? I did not know that I already had. If I had known, I would have saved the worry of 1 hour. I only wanted 200, here it is 2000. Then I said, no, I don't need this much. Then I saw who gave when. Then some name was there from such and such person. Date is not written. But I saw that Yag was there 1 year back. I remember that, then you remember that. You have realized it. Vedanta says, you don't need not worry and bother about something. What you are running and rushing for, you already have it. Rather, you are that. Don't have joy. You don't have happiness. You are happiness. You are not happy. You are happiness. Well, it's so nice to hear. Yes. So, but I don't understand today. Today I feel I am a downtrodden, broken person from inside. Somehow managing. How are you managing? Managing life. Pulling along. Dragging. Going ahead somehow. Every day something comes up. Somehow dragging ahead. Moving forward. Chal raha hai, sab theek hai. So, there is a way to put also. How are you? Okay. One expression is there. This okay is not okay. How are you? Okay. Why you said it twice? One was good. One okay. Two okay made it not completely okay. How was the food? Okay. If it was one okay, it was fine. Why did you say two okays? Okay. मतलब ज़्यादा ठीक नहीं था. ठीक ही ठीक था. How is that room in the hotel? Okay. How are you? Okay, ठीक है. We are just okay going on. क्या miss कर रहे हैं हम? What I'm missing? You are missing your real self. You don't know this. You don't know what you are missing also. Problem is this. Achha? You don't know that you are missing your real self. And you think you are missing somebody else. Well, how? Okay, I accept you are right. I accept the script. How I can understand that what I am missing? I should not have missed that. Then you need fourfold qualification called sadhan chatushtay. I hope you remember. First was vivek, second vairag, third mukshatva, fourth shat sampatti. Shatka sampatti. In Tattvabodh, third number is shat sampatti. So yesterday we saw vivek, mumukshatvam, vairag and mumukshatvam. If you remember that, please remember some things and you should jot down some points so that when you go back home, you can just browse through it. Once in a while, browse through it. I want the recording, so I can hear it in my home while cooking food. So, certain classes are there. So, you know what? After the classes, immediately they give the recording. But I don't like that. Why? Because person will be thinking anyway I'll hear later on. The certain teachers are there who said, please don't record my talk. Why? Other person thinks, अब तो मिलेगा नहीं सुनने को, लिख लो सब कुछ. Let us write, otherwise it all will be missed out.